Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by forcing the display into its native mode. Set the resolution and refresh rate now using DisplayPort or a high-speed HDMI cable. Next, clean the screen carefully and remove glare sources. Once done, position the monitor at eye level with a small tilt for straight-on viewing. Then disable dynamic or adaptive brightness. Make sure brightness sits around 120 CD/M2, roughly 40 to 60%, so colors aren't washed out. These first steps get you a stable, consistent base to improve appearance quickly. Now you tackle color and tone. Launch your operating system's calibration wizard or the monitor's built-in profiler. Adjust gamma toward 2 and set white point to 6500K for natural daylight balance. Once done, tweak contrast and sharpness. Avoid harsh over-sharpening so edges remain natural. Make sure GPU drivers are up to date. Set color depth to 8-bit or greater, and choose sRGB or the correct ICC profile for your panel. These steps refine accuracy and make images look richer and more consistent. Finish by validating with test images. Check skin tones, grayscale ramps and saturation, and nudge sliders until highlights and shadows retain detail. Then enable low blue or night mode for evening comfort and save your custom picture mode. Export the ICC profile if the option exists so you can restore it later. Make sure to recheck viewing angle and seating once done. If something still looks off, reset to factory defaults, receipt cables, or rerun the calibration before assuming a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.